Mitranam, welcome to South Asia Maps. This is Education Channel. Your presenter, Dr. Reddy. Mitranam, we are continuing part 20 of our Deva Bhumi series, that is Uttarakhand province, also called Uttaranchal province, previously part of Uttar Pradesh or United Provinces of Agra and Awadh. After these presentations, Mitranam, we are talking about Dharma Ganga, also called East Dhauliganga River Basin. We are looking at the physiographic regions of Uttaranchal. Previously, we identified 27 physiographical regions. In the current part, we will be talking about the part 20, that is Dharma Ganga or Dhauliganga. Somewhere in the middle and after, I will take you to 345 3D or cartographic or topographic view of the land, so that you will get a very good clarity of river basin, river valley. Excuse me. Mitranam, this is our Uttaranchal series, Devabhumi series, and we are in 20, that is East Dhauliganga Valley. Remember, there is a West Dhauliganga Valley basin we covered before. That West Dhauliganga, it skids eastern part of, that is the Mana, Kamet, Niti and Hathi Parvat, and it joins uh, it joins Alakananda River at that place called Vishnu Ganga River near Joshimath and Auli ski resort forms here one of the five Prayags, Vishnu Prayag. Because both are called Dhauli Gangas, that is the western part, this is the eastern part, Purbi Dhauli Ganga. Sometimes it is referred to as also Dharma Ganga. So we look at this further. And all these presentations, Mitranam, are present at South Asia Maps JRD Education Channel. You will see there are around about 70 playlists. Each have around about 10, 15, 20 presentations. You can go and look and explore them further. Mitranam, before, in the initial stages, we looked at the Uttaranchal region physiographic aspect. We identified around about 27 presentation spots that we are going to explore the 20th. Somewhere this is here. This is the Lipulekh mountain range, Himadris. This is Panchachuli mountain range. If you cannot read them, you will see in other place. Between them, there is a gorge valley basin of Dharma Ganga, East Dhauliganga. This is West Dhauliganga that joins Alakananda or Vishnu Prayag. See, the physiographic aspect of any region, this is the physical geography, compared to political administrative geography, gives the physical nature of the land or habitat or terrain with respect to mountains, water bodies, plains, and so on. So it gives the more a deeper understanding of the land, so that you can easily discern the socio-political economic events, history of that particular terrain or land. All of these regions I delineated from the standard book Indian Regional Geography R.L. Singh 1995. I have redrawn the maps, added some little bit slight modifications so that the things will be easy for the audience, and also added whatever I understand my intensive 4+ years of map reading and my passion of Indology. These are the standard. There are four, we can say, river systems in Uttaranchal, western part, Yamuna, this is the Ganga, this is the Kali Nadi, Sarada Nadi, Mahakali Nadi, other part is the Ram Ganga. We are looking of this particular part. That is also the Kali river, Kali, Mahakali river, Sarda river is also boundary between Nepalese territory and Uttaranchali territory or Kurmanchal territory. We are looking at this particular river right now. I have expanded this so that you can see this river Gori Ganga. This is the eastern Dharma Dhauliganga. This is the western Dhauliganga, where this is the Vishnu Prayag. Ladia River, Sarju River, Sarayu River, and eastern Ram Ganga, western Ram Ganga, Gaula River, and Kosi River, and so on. I have expanded them here. I will walk over this content here and we will go and look at the maps. That is the most important part. The river East Dhauliganga called Dharma Ganga. Spellings may be different. And Dharma Yankit. These are the local names, maybe Tibetan names or Garhwali names, Kumaoni names, and so on. Dharma Ganga. It starts from Dawe village and to Tawaghat on the Kali River. Dharma Ganga, East Dhauliganga, mouth is Tawaghat, a small urban center Tawaghat on Kali River. The boundaries you can very easily see. This is the Basin Valley, which we use very loosely. East part you can say Lipula ranges, Lipulekh ranges, and the western part is the Panchachuli ranges, and the northern part is Tibet. We have Manas Sarovar Lake and Rakas Lake, and eastern side we have Mahakali province of Nepal. This is all. The river cuts through Himadri region, that is the greater Himalayas, more than 5,000 meters above mean sea level. Simla being 22 meters sea level, and Gurshikar in Shirohi district, Rajputana, and uh, Gujarat border is 17 meters, Delhi 250, so you can estimate. So we looked at the boundaries. You need not remember them. If you overall keep this map in mind, you can very easily discern them. The landmarks are nearby. This is the Kunti River. Kuti River, that is a tributary of actually the parent river, that is the Kali River. Then we have a Adi Kailash Mountains and Brahma Parvat, eastern side, and Brahma Parvat peak is 6321 and Om Parvat, those regions. The districts that cover this part is almost is the northern part of Pithogarh district, used to be part of Almora district before, mostly Dharchula, Tehsil, this region. And along the river, I have jotted these villages, Dawe village and Dakar village, Sona, Baling, Sobala, Kela, and Tawaghat, that Sangam with the Kali river, this is the Dharma river. We can see this interesting map here. So we are looking at the Uttaranchal rivers here. So this is the Kali river, the product of the Treaty of Sugauli, the Nepalese territories and British imperial territories on the west of the river. This is the river we are talking about, Dharma Ganga or Dharma river or East Dhauliganga, that joins a place called Tawaghat. This is the Kuti river. This is the Kalapani Lipulekh area. So the Kali River, Mahakali River comes here. So this empty areas is the Panchachuli mountain. East side is Dharma Ganga. West side you can see Gori Ganga. Gori Ganga we'll look at the next time. Joins near Ascot or Jauli Jubi, a border town with Nepal. So this is the entire river. You can see the eastern boundary. Dharma Ganga, Gori Ganga, and you can see this is the Sarayu Sarju, Lohaghat river, Lohaghat here, this is the Ladia river, this is the Nainital region. This map is not that good resolution, but we can get a clarity here, some aspects. So this is the Kuti River and Kalapani area and so on. And these are the Lipulekh mountains. So this is our river. And Tawaghat is here. I think they have put to Dharchula, but that should be actually somewhere here between the Tawaghat and Dhauli. So this is actually Panchachuli mountain, east side Dharma river, west side Ganga river. You can see this is the Lipulekh mountains here. You can see Adi Parvat, Om Parvat, those areas. So the river here, this is the Ganga, this is the Sarayu river and Ladia river near Tanakpur, and that is in the Babatarai region and Banbasha. The river, the finally Kali river enters into the Ganga Maidan. Yeah, the Kali river, Mahakali river, Sadda river joins Gagra river, so near Bahraich and Nanpara area here. We can look at this. So here, so I have here marked the Tawaghat area, Tawaghat bridge on the river. Remember, this is at the border between the Nepalese territory here. So this is the river you can see. I have Tejam there and Selachal, Bailing. These are all the small villages we have mentioned. So the river joins close, comes close from Tibet like this. Okay. So here you can see uh, Brahma Parvat here. That's the east side. West side you can see Panchachula here. Panchachuli mountain ranges. That is the water divide between east side, that is the east Purbi Dhauliganga, west side. We look it later, that is the Ganga. So from the Tawaghat, the river, this is the Kali river. It's at Jauli here where the Ganga joins here. Jauli. That's the Ganga and river. So that's the one aspect. Here we can see that we should always start from this is the Almora town. This is where the Tanakpur and all those areas, Banbasha. So this is the river. Other landmark is this is the Rameshwar, this is the Sarayu, so this is the Kali river. So this is the Ganga river. So this is the Panchachula mountains. That means this is the river we are looking right now. Dharma Ganga or East Dhauliganga. This is the Panchachula, Lipulekh, those areas, two lakes. So remember the two lakes and remember the when it the Sarda Canal and all those areas, you will get a clarity on that. So here we are doing the same thing. So this is the Panchachula mountains. This is the Purbi Dhauliganga river. This is the Ganga river. So finally it goes Bhimdatta and Tanakpur. So that's the border. That's not a good resolution. Will not so. This is the historic map, Nainital district, Almora. This is the Kurmanchal Kumon region, British Garhwal. This is the Princely Garhwal, Tehri Garhwal at that time, pre-Radcliffe times. So I am showing there. Yeah, here you can see. So when you look this map, if you can grasp the rivers, that means your understanding of the terrain, the land, Bhumata, Bhudevi, Bharat Mata means that is well articulated, very good. So this is the river we are talking about. This is the Kali river, right? The parent river. This is comes here, so we are not concerned about this is the Chemelia river and the Nepalese border. This is the Ramgun river there from Nepal. We are only concerned. This is the Rameshwar here, Panchameshwar means this is the Ramganga eastern part, Sarayu river. So this is the Panchachuli mountains. The western, this side is the Ganga. This side is the Purbi Dhauliganga, Dharma Ganga. You can see the again one more Dhauliganga, that is the western Paschim Dhauliganga, that is the Vishnu Prayag Alkananda river there. So these are the lakes here. So this is the Panchachuli mountains. If you remember the Panchachuli mountains, you will get it easily. So we are looking at the because it's a Dharchula is somewhere upstream. So this is the where the river is. This the river. So this the river here. Yeah. This the river. That's the river. This the Goriganga river. This is the Dharchula means this is the our current Purbi Dhauliganga. This is the Goriganga. So that the river continues to go. It gets the water from other rivers. I think this is the Ladia river. And Tanakpur Mata, Purneshwari Mata Mandir there, Banbasa, Katima, and this is the Suklapanta Reservoir, wildlife sanctuary area in Nepal. So that's what I wanted to talk about today, the fascinating Devabhumi Dharma Ganga river. In the 21st presentation, we look at the Kali river itself, or Mahakali, the parent river, the boundary between the Nepalese territory and Kurmanchal Kumaon territory of Uttaranchal, Uttarakhand, that is the product of the Treaty of Sagauli after Anglo-Nepalese War of around about 1817 AD. Thank you very much, Mitrom, joining me today. And if you like the presentation, you can post your comments or any constructive criticisms, and even can bring the knowledge to the front of your friends and others who are interested in similar knowledge. Thank you very much. See you later. Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps.